You might think this is just a regular old orange that is wet in Brazil, Africa, wherever they're from. But no, this is actually a really beat up orange in Mesa, Arizona at my house. There's a citrus tree, alright? And it is raining here today. It doesn't really rain in Mesa, Arizona. As you can see, this is my backyard. But, yeah, it's raining actually, so we're all happy. Wow. Look at all that rain just come down right now. So beautiful. Now, when we come down here, look at all that. I just want to soak my phone in that. As you can tell, this video is being videotaped on a phone because it sucks. But let's see some clips about the rain. Well, guys, that's going to wrap up this rain video in Mesa, Arizona. I hope you guys watching this video that live in Mesa, Arizona enjoyed this once-in-a-lifetime rain day. But it rains better than this in Virginia, where I'm from. I'm from Virginia, and, Virginia Tech Hokies, are the best. But, look at that orange again. Yeah, look at that orange. This tree's, like, so wet. So wet. We got 2 oranges right there, bad boy. Yep, well, later, guys.